Some of you may have wondered, should I choose water or a sports drink when I exercise? Although the general guideline says anything under an hour to choose water and anything an hour or more to choose a sports drink, it really depends on two factors. One, what's the temperature? And two, what's your sweat rate? Because there's a big difference between if you are exercising in 35-degree weather and you have a low sweat rate versus at 75 degrees and you sweat a lot. So the reality is you have to look at those two things and judge for yourself in most cases. If you are in Seattle in the wintertime and it's 40 degrees, you could probably go up to an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours, and just have water. If you are a heavy sweater and you live in Arizona, you're going to need to almost always go for that sports drink when you're doing cardio. Now, one thing to consider is that some sports drinks do have a lot of sugar in them. So if you're like me and your gut just feels like it has this blob of sugar, if you drink a lot of Gatorade or something similar, you can always choose something like None that's a pure electrolyte drink. So these are just some of the things to consider to go based on your individual needs when assessing if you need to have water or a sports drink when you exercise.